I don't know if I was
for the
supposed to
last
read.
rites of 7 dead bodies in Kota. In the past 48 hours, the Karma Yogi Seva Sansthan, which carries out last rites of unidentified dead bodies, has been receiving frantic calls from the local police. In the past 2 days, as many as 21 dead bodies have been found on the footpath, under bridges, near railway tracks or outside temples and dargahs.
24 वर्षों के अनुभव में आज ये महसूस हुआ, अभी पिछले 3 दिन से 4 दिन से गर्मी में बहुत ज़्यादा तेजी आई है और फुटपाथ पर एक के बाद एक लगातार डेड बॉडी हमें यहाँ मिलने की सूचनाएं मिल रही है.
Of these 21 deaths in Kota, only 2 have been identified. One of them is Munna Khan, who spent his days at the dargah in Nayapura in Kota.
कैसे हुई इनकी डेथ?
गर्मी से होगी.
गर्मी से हुई है.
With the unusually high number of deaths, the government has been forced to take notice. But parameters are clear. Unless a post-mortem establishes the cause of death as heat stroke, it won't be recorded as a heat death.
जब तक पोस्टमार्टम नहीं हो जाता तब तक कुछ भी कहना उन पे जल्दबाजी है. अस्पताल ने कहा है कि उनका एवरेज ही 6 से 8 बॉडीज आती है क्योंकि बड़ी जगह है, आसपास में कहीं से भी व्यक्ति यहाँ आता है.
एकदम हीट स्ट्रोक से एक ही डेथ हुई है. रेलवे ट्रैक्स के पास जो आपके मीडिया जो उजागर कर रहा है, रेलवे ट्रैक्स के पास तो कई शराबी ड्रग एडिक्ट्स आपको मिलते हैं. जब हीट कंडीशन इतनी ज्यादा है उस वजह से इनकी डेथ हो रही है.
Nevertheless, many deaths with symptoms of heat stroke are being reported.
12 मृत्यु हो गई और गाइडलाइन जारी कर दी है. अब कोई असावधानी बरतेगा, उसका शिकार होगा तो उसका इलाज किया जाएगा और एक पैकेज है जो भी दिया जाएगा.
In the adjoining district of Bundi, 5 deaths were reported in one day alone. On Sunday, a BSF soldier died while guarding an outpost on the border. From Jalore, Jaisalmer and Jodhpur, reports have come of people being taken ill and dying all of a sudden. The heat wave in Rajasthan is unbearable. So unbearable that it's difficult to stand outside like I am doing right now without being swept by hot winds that seem to be coming out of a furnace. But the government has very clearly defined parameters that will establish death due to heat stroke. But on the ground, symptoms of heat stroke that have led to death definitely tell a different story. With Shakir Ali in Kota, Harsha Kumari Singh, NTTV.